Welcome to 1856 Woodview Avenue, a beautiful 4+1 bedroom executive home with 5 washrooms situated on one of the most prestigious streets within Pickering's upscale Highbush neighbourhood. Leading to the east-facing front terrace and to a backyard gate are stone walkways on either side of the driveway, and beyond the double-door entry of the arched portico is a main level with a wonderful open-theme layout that is a delight for entertaining. Ceramic flooring flows throughout the reception hall and into the kitchen area, while gleaming Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring is showcased in the living, dining, and family rooms. The east-facing windows of the living room have light-diffusing zebra blinds, which are showcased on most of the main level windows, with this lovely entertaining space additionally featuring decorative crown moldings and richly stained French doors with its entry off the foyer. The formal dining room exudes elegance and is illuminated by an exquisite chandelier with a medallion that is suspended from a tray ceiling, its drop-down border showcasing a delicate papered design embellished with striking corner accents and the finishing touch of crown moldings. A golden color palette complements the ceiling border, and the room is finished with decorative accents that include wainscoting, as well as richly stained interior trims and French door entries from the foyer and from the kitchen. Marble tiles laid in a herringbone design add a beautiful inlay accent to the flooring, and the family room, like the living room, is finished with decorative crown moldings and also features the warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded with a light and dark colored stone facade. The stunning modern kitchen area showcases crown moldings and the sleekness of a stainless steel double undermount sink, built-in microwave and dishwasher, oven with smooth surface cooktop, and a side-by-side fridge freezer. While the neutral multi-tones of a mosaic tiled backsplash create a striking contrast between the creaminess of quartz countertops with peninsula seating and the white gloss veneer finish of cabinetry that is dressed with upgraded hardware and has the added storage of a standalone pantry. The kitchen, breakfast area, and family room windows have west-facing exposures with backyard views, and the backyard is accessible through a sliding door walkout from the breakfast area, opening to a low-maintenance and fenced yard with lawn space for play or gardening, and recently renewed with a large composite deck, as well as an equally large-sized stone patio with a walkway from the front gate, creating a superb outdoor entertaining area. Also showcased throughout the main level are gorgeous contemporary crystal light fixtures, and this level additionally features a side hall off the foyer where you find a coat closet, a sunken laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, garage access, a secondary side door entry, and cabinetry storage, as well as a powder room with crown moldings, decorative chair rail, and a pedestal sink. Curving gracefully to the upper level is a beautifully stained oak hardwood staircase, and this level showcases Brazilian cherry hardwood flooring throughout, pot lighting and a chandelier brightening the hallway, space for a sitting area or computer desk off the staircase landing, as well as 4 bright bedrooms and 3 washrooms. The second bedroom has a double closet and access to a 4-piece Jack and Jill washroom with a tiled floor, a wall-to-wall vanity with countertop basin, as well as a water closet with a tiled bath and shower area. With this washroom shared with the third bedroom, which also has a double closet, as well as a Palladian-style window with a vaulted ceiling above its arched transom. Just outside this bedroom is a linen closet, and down the hall is the 4-piece common-use washroom, which features a tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with countertop basin, and the fourth bedroom, which has 3 east-facing windows and 2 double closets. The very generously sized master bedroom has a double door entry, and along its west wall are 4 windows flooding natural light into this private retreat, with the turret wall and its 3 windows making a lovely sitting space to enjoy the warmth of afternoon light. Also featuring a walk-in closet, the bedroom is complete with a very spacious 4-piece ensuite washroom, showcasing a tiled shower area with glass door, a soaker tub with ceramic finishes and 2 windows above it, a large L-shaped vanity with countertop basin, hot lighting, as well as wainscoting and mirrors finished with antiqued trims. A hardwood staircase leads to the fully developed lower level, which offers amazing space for family enjoyment and entertaining, yet also has potential for full conversion into an in-law suite. Showcasing high-quality laminate flooring and pot lighting throughout, this level also features a washroom beautifully appointed with porcelain tiles, a contemporary vanity with glass countertop basin and a modern faucet, as well as a glass shower with a mosaic accent border and a spa system. And this washroom also has a nook that can be converted into a linen closet. There is a cold room just steps from this home's second kitchen, which features a porcelain tiled floor, quartz counters, glass and stone mosaic tile backsplashes, a peninsula with seating and a stainless steel double-wide undermount sink, ample cabinetry storage, and includes a stainless steel dishwasher, oven, and fridge, while the huge recreation area can easily accommodate multiple seating areas, a dining area, as well as the addition of a very spacious bedroom. A short walk to West Creek Public School and to access the trail system that meanders throughout nearby Rouge National Urban Park, as well as within the catchment area of Frenchman's Bay Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401. As well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.